Good morning once again. Yesterday we have learned how to multiply a monomial by a monomial, and then we have seen a case of monomial getting multiplied with a binomial also. Today we will discuss some questions from exercise 9.2. In 9.2, let's see question number 1. It is very easy. They are saying find the product of following pairs of monomials. So class, you will tell me the answers. I am giving you the cases. Let us take the third part, the simple one. Minus 4p and 7pq. Tell me the answer of this. We have done tough questions than this one. So you can tell me the answer very easily. What is the product of minus 4p and 7pq? It is the third part which I am doing for you. Tell me the answer fast. Okay, the answer is Yuvraj gave the correct answer. Harshul correct. Just it is not complete, beta. Vardhan good. Rachit, what happened to your answer? Why 3q? You are subtracting it, Rachit. It is multiplication, beta. This is a question of multiplication of monomials, not subtraction. And you cannot even subtract them because they are not like terms. Even if the question was of subtraction, you couldn't have done that because they are not like terms. Simply you have to multiply. Yes, now you all are correct. Simply you have to multiply like this, minus 4p bracket 7pq. So class, if I'm not putting a multiplication sign between them and only I'm writing like this brackets, it means they are multiplying. So don't confuse. Okay class, are you able to understand? If I'm not putting the cross sign between them, only I'm putting the brackets, that means they are getting multiplied only. Okay, so minus 4 into 7 will give me minus 28, because 4 7 is 28 and there is one negative sign, that is odd number of negative sign, it will remain. Now this p into p will give me p square and q is remaining simple. Answer is minus 28 p square q. This is the answer. Now the next one, let us try. They are all very easy. You can try on your own. Let's take question number 2 now. Question number 2. Find the areas of rectangle with the following pair of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. So in the question number 2, they have given you some pairs of length and breadth and they want you to find the area of that particular rectangle. So let me give you one example of this. Let us take the third part in this also. 20x square comma 5y square. Please tell me, if I take this as length and if I take this as breadth, what is area of this rectangle? Please tell me, if I take 20x square as length and I take 5y square as breadth, what is the area? Hiteshri correct? Others please answer. Giriraj correct? Harshul correct? You all are correct. It is very easy. Simply you will write like this: 20 into 5 into x square into y square, and you can see these two can be multiplied because they are like terms. 20 Joel, x power 4. Why beta? Joel, please check why you got x power 4. 25 is the 100 and x square will not multiply with anything because it is an unlike term. So x square y square is the answer. Yes, you all are correct. Let us take one more example. These are very easy. No? We have done already difficult cases. These are not up to the mark for that. So let me give you one from my side only. One example from my side. You can try this one. Okay. Find the area of rectangle in which length is 3xy plus z, comma, the breadth is 2z 3zx. Now tell me the area of this rectangle in which the length is 3xy plus z and the breadth is 3zx. This is the length and this is the breadth. Again, you have to multiply using distributive property. So please be careful giving the answers. I don't want any wrong answer from your side. Please be careful. Don't hurry. No, Vaibhav, that's why I'm telling you, na. You have to consider the plus sign now. It is a question based on distributive property. So hum gave the answer as 9x square y plus z square. Others, please try. I think Soham, you are not correct. I think you are not correct. Others, please try. Soham, you can check again. What is the issue? Class, please try. Give me the answer. Vardhan is saying 9x square y plus 3z square x, and Vardhan is correct. Others, please try. Others, please try. Give me the answer fast. I tried to make it a little bit difficult, but it is very easy. Harshul, you forgot to put the sign between. Rudra, okay. Just, okay. No, just mistake is there. Please check. So please add Yashna. One second. Sir, is this symbol used to show power? Yes, beta Vardhan. This symbol in your keyboard is used to show power. Okay, Soham is now giving again, beta Soham, one thing is missing in your answer. Hiteshri is correct now. Khushi is wrong. Giriraj, no beta Giriraj, something is wrong. Yuvraj is correct. Soham, ha, that was missing. Now it's fine. Smriddhi, mistake is there. Harshul, fine. Now C class. We have to find the area. Area is given by length into breadth. So we can write this as length is 3xy plus z multiplied with 3zx. This is the question. Why there is again x? Okay, no, beta. I'm telling you, please see. So class, we have learned how to multiply a into b plus c. It is equal to ab plus ac. Or if I write like this, still it is same thing only, because we know product is commutative. So we can just do one thing. I can multiply 3zx in the first term, then plus sign will come. Then I can multiply 3zx into the second term. That's it. This is your distributive property. So let's see. We can have 3xy into 3zx plus sign, this one. Then we have z into 3zx. Till now, any confusion, you can ask me. Class, if till now you have any confusion, you can ask me. I will repeat for you. Please ask. Is there any confusion in this method? No, because it is simply distributive property where we are distributing the monomial over the binomials. Sir, why did we put 3xz at the last? Okay, Yashna. Yashna, it doesn't, what you say, matter. If you put it like this, or you put it like this, they both are same thing, Yashna. In chapter number 1 only we have learned this thing, that product is commutative. Either I write this at the first place, then also it is fine. Either I write like this, then also it is fine. You can take an example also. If you have 5 into 2 plus 3, or you have 2 plus 3 into 5, will that change anything? Yashna, please tell me, will that change anything? Please tell me, Yashna. Because we have studied in the case of addition as well as multiplication, commutativity is there. You can change the order as per your choice. No issue. Okay. So let me solve the question now. We have applied the property of commutativity, and now all of you can solve also, class. Now all of you can solve. I have given you the hint. You can solve very easily. And let us solve now. Please see, what I have done is I have distributed this 3zx over 3xy and z, and now I can get the answer. 3 into 3 will give me 9, x into x will give me x square, then y is alone, z is alone, so they will come like this only. Then we have a plus sign. Then this 3 will come, z into z will give me z square, and x will come. Yes, it is correct, Smriddhi. Now it is fine. So all of you can check your answer. This is a very simple method. First you distribute using the property and then you multiply easily. So class, is it clear to everyone? I just tried to make the question of your level because in NCERT questions were very easy. You can do it on your own. I gave you an example from my side. So Kriti is in waiting room. Okay. But why you all not coming on time? Okay, so now what do we have? Question number 3. Again, a easy question. They have given you a table like this. Question number 3. A table like this is given to you, a tabular format, in which there is first column and first row. You need to find the value of the product. Suppose I take an example, the last one. Class, suppose I take the example of last one. We have to find the last box answer. Please tell me what will come in this box by multiplying these two. Okay, Beta, no issue. Please tell me, I have this monomial and this monomial. I want to find the answer in this cell. That will be how much? Please tell me. It's very simple. We just need to multiply these two. This is very simple. 9 9s are 81. There are two negative signs getting multiplied. Shreya, 36 x cube, y cube. Why? Shreya, what happened? Please check again. Please check again. Don't do like this. Yash is correct. Rudra is correct. Shreya, give the right answer fast. Simply we are multiplying these two. Minus 9x square y square into minus 9x square y square. Shreya, now you gave the correct answer for the numbers. Still you are saying x cube, y cube. Why? Why x cube, y cube, beta? Just go to the basics. Simple thing I have told you. You have to multiply the like terms. Minus 9 into minus 9. They are like terms. X square into x square. They are like terms. Y square into y square. They are like terms. So why you are doing mistake? Shreya, please see. Others are giving correct answer. All of you, Rachit, Joel, all of you are giving the correct answer. Shreya, you are doing a mistake. Please check. 9 9s are 81. Two negatives are there. It becomes positive. X square, when the base is same, Shreya, when the base is same, power gets added. Power gets 2 plus 2. And when here also the base is same, power will get added 2 plus 2. And the answer will become 81 x power 4 y power 4. That's it. Yes, Smriddhi, you are correct. Let me give you one more example in this one. They have given you this 1 in minus 4xy. If I give you this one minus, no, let me give you 7x square y. That will be better. 7x square y. Tell me the answer of this cell. Class, tell me the answer of this cell. What will come? If this is 7x square y, what will come in this cell? Shreya, this time I want a correct answer from your side. Please do it carefully. What will come in this cell? Go step by step. You will never get a wrong answer. Tell me the answer in this cell. What will you get? Okay, Vaibhav is saying the answer is correct. Soham, one mistake is there. Beta, please check. Soham, one mistake is there. Vaibhav cube. Okay, Vaibhav is correct. Rudra, mistake is there. Beta, please check. Yash Khandelwal is correct. No, 1 second. Yash is correct. Harshul, mistake beta. Rachit, one small mistake is there. You are ignoring one thing that is very wrong from your side. Vardhan, you are correct. Giriraj, correct. Rachit, still the same mistake. Please correct it. Smriddhi, one mistake. Please check. You all are ignoring it. Soham, now fine. Aryan, wrong. Aryan, correct this beta. Smriddhi, same mistake beta. Correct it. Hiteshri, correct. Hiteshri, mistake is there. Please check. Rachit, no. No. Hiten, no. Let me see you. Let me tell you. Smriddhi, now you are correct. Hiteshri, you are missing one thing. Sorry, you are missing two things. Let me tell you why. Smriddhi, now you are correct. Please see, we have to multiply this number and this monomial to get this answer. So let us find 7x square y multiplied with minus 9x square y square. I have told you the way. You will try to write the what you say that like terms together. So 7 and minus 9, x square and x square multiplying y and y square. Now please check where you have done the mistake, class. Please check where you have done the mistake. 7 9s are 63 of negative. First mistake from your side. Second mistake, no, it was not a mistake. X and x are same base, power will add, it becomes x power 4. In this case also, the power of this y is 1, it becomes y power 3. And this is the answer. Is it fine now? No, you don't have to multiply by itself. You have to multiply because it's simple thing, na? It is like 1 from the column, 1 from the row. They are multiplying to give you that particular cell. Okay, Rachit, but you didn't give the negative sign. Rachit, I saw your answer. You didn't give this negative sign. I saw it. Rachit, but you may have given it later on. In the starting, you gave me positive one only. You didn't give me the negative one. Okay, let me give you now question number 4. So question number 4 is also very similar. Question number 4 is saying obtain the volume of a rectangular box of length, breadth and height is given to you. Again, a very simple question. Let me take the first part. If length is given to you as 5a, breadth is given to you as 3a square and height is given to you as 7a power 4, please tell me what is the volume. Find the volume of this particular cuboid. Yes, Yashna, I think you are, yes, you are correct. You are correct. It is very easy. Simple monomials are there. No much thinking process. We have done lot better questions than these. So Rudra, you are correct. It's fine. It is given by length into breadth into height. Let me put the values. The first value is 5a into 3a square into 7a power 4. And as we have learned, we have write the like terms together like this, and we will write the like terms together like this. And we can say 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105, a power 1 plus 2 plus 4, and the answer is 105 a power 7. You can give the reason also, because we have studied a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is the identity that we are using, class. This is the identity that we are using. If bases are same, powers will add. This is the property of exponents and power. Now I think you are able to understand the properties very well. This question, nothing much is left. Now there is question number 5. And let me tell you one thing, you all are ready for the next exercise also. I gave you enough concepts so that you can solve the next one also very, very easily. Now in this question number 5, I'm giving you an example. Third part. Give me the answer of this one. Find the product of 2, 4y, 8y square, 16y cube. Please find this answer. It's very easy. All are monomials. Shiv is saying, sir, please repeat. Beta Shiv, there was nothing in this question. We just multiplied the constants. 5 3 is 15. 15 7 is 105. Then we have a into a square into a power 4. And we have learned when bases are same and getting multiplied, we just add the powers. Power of this a is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. That's it. Hiteshri gave the answer of this question. She is saying it is 1024 y power 6. Others, please try. What is the answer? Joel also gave the same answer. So it is very easy for you. All of you are giving the same answer. Let me find the product. The product is given by 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. And if I write like that, 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 into y square into y cube. Just to make it simplify, I have written like this because I know product is commutative, so I can change their position without any problem. Because multiplication is commutative, that is why I am changing their position. If it was division or subtraction, I cannot do that, because we have learned this property in chapter number 1. Okay, Smriddhi, I think you are correct. Yes, also you are also correct, beta. So let me write 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 16s are, I trust you all, it is 1024. Then we have y power 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the answer is 1024 y power 3 4 5 6. So you all are correct. Class, you all are correct. Shall I give you? Okay, it's 9 10. Na? Okay. After the activity is done, you can try to solve the remaining parts of this exercise. They are very easy. Okay, you want more. Okay, then take one example from my side. Let me give you two binomials this time, class. Are you ready for that? But this will take time, na? No, I will not give you two binomials today. So please, in waiting room. Okay, we will. Okay. Okay, let me give you an easy binomial product. Give me answer of this one, beta. Give me answer of this two binomials getting multiplied. I don't think you will give the correct answer of this one. Let me do one thing, class. Let me end it here only. You tried it on your own today. We will discuss it tomorrow. Okay? Because time is less now. We'll discuss it tomorrow.